JEE Main 2025 Session 1 result announced. 14 candidates score 100 NTA score. IIT Roorkee launches PG certificate program in Agnetic AI for engineers. CBSE clarifies 2025 board exam difficulty evaluation and preparation tips. IIT Delhi alumnus son cracks JEE Main 2025, credits sports for his success. UK India Young Professional Scheme 2025 ballot opens on February 18. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: the National Testing Agency NTA has announced the JEE Mains 2025 Session 1 results. 12.58 lakh candidates appeared for the exam, with 14 students securing a perfect 100 NTA scores, including Sai Manogna Gutikonda from Andhra Pradesh as the female topper. Rajasthan produced the highest number of toppers, and NTA dropped 12 questions, awarding for full marks to all candidates. The April session registrations are open until February 25 at the official website. Top qualifiers will proceed to JEE Advanced 2025 for IIT admissions, while others will secure seats in NITs, IIITs, and GFTIs through JOSAA counseling. IIT Roorkee, in partnership with Futurns, has launched India's first AI-focused PG certificate program in Agnetic AI, Generative AI, and Machine Learning. The 11-month hybrid program offers live and recorded sessions and optional campus immersions. Designed for engineers and working professionals, the course includes 150 plus hours of hands-on learning with AI tools like GPT-4, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. The curriculum developed by IIT faculty and AI leaders include 15 plus industry projects and mentorship from Fortune 500 CXOs. Graduates will earn an IIT Roorkee certification, boosting their career prospects in AI-driven industries. Applications are open for professionals eager to upskill in AI's evolving landscape. CBSE will conduct Class 10 and 12 board exam from February 15, 2025, addressing concerns. CBSE clarified that the difficulty level remains the same yearly. With the sample papers provided to help students prepare, marks are awarded only for correct answers, not just for attempting questions. The evaluation follows strict procedures with a marking scheme ensuring fairness. Grade E is considered failing, placing students in the essential repeat category. Students must reach exam centers on time, follow admit card instructions, and avoid carrying mobiles or smartwatches. Study hours depend on individual preparations, but attending regular classes to ensure readiness. CBSE reassures students that the exam schedule provides enough preparation time between the subjects. 18-year-old Arnav Singh cracked JEE Main 2025 in his first attempt before appearing for his CBSE Class 12 exams. His father, an IIT Delhi alumnus, teaches an Allen institution Kota, where Arnav prepared for JEE. Inspired by family, Arnav aspires to join IIT Bombay for computer science engineering. Unlike a rigid study routine, he focuses on concepts clarity and maintaining mental well-being. A day before exams, he played table tennis to relieve his stress. His father emphasized that daily sports activity includes cricket, helped Arnav stay calm and focused. He has also participated in multiple Olympiads and cleared the first rounds of Physics and Chemistry Olympiad this year. Arnav will appear for JEE Advanced 2025. The UK government has launched the UK India Young Professional Scheme 2025, allowing 3,000 Indian nationals to live, study, work, and travel in the UK for up to 2 years. The ballot will be open from February 18 to February 20 at gov.uk. No fee required to enter. The winners will be randomly selected. Applicants need rupees 2.7 lakh in savings, a valid passport, and no dependent children. Selected candidates must apply within 90 days pay visa fees, and return to India after 2 years. Over 2,100 visas were issued in 2023. For more details, visit the website. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theeducationnewsnetwork.com. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.